Good job! Good job, Babo! Yes! Go, Babo!
Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's Monday, so I wish all of you a happy new week. I hope this week is gonna be a great one. It's gonna be May. It's the end of April now, the last day. Tomorrow is Labor Day, so it's gonna be a short week for work. Yes. Tyler's already awake. Look like he didn't sleep much. Baby's still sleeping. She looked tired, but I can feel that she feeling better, so she'll be able to do much more things than what she did last week. So yeah, wish all of you a new week. Enjoy today's vlog, enjoy this week, and see you guys soon.
Good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It is bright and early Monday morning, and it is sunny outside right now, but it should get a little bit cloudy throughout the day, but let's see how that will end up. I just finished working out, baby's off to work, workout was good, and now I'm here having my favorite, my green juice. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Tyler is somewhere inside drinking his green juice. Let's see if I can find him for you. There he is. Look at him in his green juice. Come here, pumpkin. Say morning, Faves. What else you have to tell the Faves? What is that?
Juice.
You love your cucumber green juice? You're giving them? So that's Tyler. I'm just here chilling. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. Make sure you guys stay blessed and stay motivated and stay away from negative people. Stay away from naysayers. Look at... you just finished yours, so why are you coming to have my... wait, Lord have mercy. Well, I guess making his glass don't make a difference. Wait, oh my gosh. Look at him, he wants to drink off his and drink mine. My God. No, save some for mama. Why you want to drink of my juice? Wait, oh my God. Alright, it finish. Look at his little stomach. Look at his stomach. Well, it's healthy for him, so I don't mind him drinking it. But geez, can't I just drink mine in peace though? You guys, look at my new headphone that babe got me, my wireless headphone. I finally got my wireless headphone, and it's dope. I'm in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's everything that I always wanted. Babe know me so well. Anyway, you guys, as I was giving you my little motivational talk, just don't give negative people the attention that they need. Just walk away, take the high road, and ignore negative people. Trust me, you'll win. When you do that, you win. Alright, so if there's any negative people around you, whether you're at work or you're at school, to ignore them and to drop their company is the best thing you'll ever do for yourself, and you'll be in a better place, you'll be in a better mind frame, and just do what you gotta do to make you happy. Do it for you. Anyway, you guys, stay away from negative people because you don't want that energy going on to yourself. All right, have an amazing day, stay blessed, stay motivated. I am going to finish drink my juice, go and get a fresh, and continue on with my day. So I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys, man, it is so windy outside. It's crazy. It's like everything wants to just fall off the balcony, though the sun is out, but it's very windy. Anyway, you guys, Tyler is down for a nap, so it's time for me to grab. So this is lunch. I made a salad, so I have salmon, tomatoes, avocado, and lettuce in here. So that's what lunch is gonna be right now. It's grab time. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for lunch today, whatever time of the day that you guys is watching this. Tell me if you guys love salads for lunch, or you're having fast food, or whatever it is that you're having. Comment down below and let me know. Everybody is awake. Yes. You want to go to the supermarket?
Yes.
Why you want to go to the supermarket? You just wake up.
Mama.
We go to the supermarket a few days ago. We're not going to the supermarket again until on the weekend.
We'll be going.
Where do you want to go? Where you want to go?
This way or this way?
This way or this way? Which way? You're so sweet.
This way.
Okay, so go. Big boy?
No.
Big boy?
Yes. See in the window.
You want to see out the window?
Yes.
What out the window you want to see?
Except the Maxim.
Axel and Maxim is at home. Axel and Maxim is his friends. You can't see them. They're at home. They're not out there. Good job! Good job, Baba! Yes! Go, Baba! Go! Look where you're going. Come on, come on. Continue. Look, just look in front of you. Good job. Yes. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come. Come. Good job, boo boo. Yes. Guys, Tyler and I going to the park. The boss and I heading to the park, and I think he almost mastered pedaling by himself. I'm so proud of this kid. You can do it, baby. Let's go. Look at him chilling out by himself. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. You look at his face. Every time we come to this park, Tyler have to stop at the fish pond to look at all the fishes over there. Don't know if you guys can see those pretty red ones under the bottom. And there's some big ones.
There's some more.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
Look. There's
Oh my god, I saw a frog. I'm ready to go. Tyler, there's a frog. Oh. Let me see if I can zoom and show you guys this frog. Oh my gosh, I want to run. I want to just run right now. You guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, my skin is running cold just to even look at the camera. I can't. Oh my gosh. Tell you saw the frog? Huh? There's a big frog. Look. Believe what just happened to me. It's very sunny out, but it's super windy, so there's just a little bit of wind make it kind of chilly. So I said, okay, let me put a little thin sweater and towel and take one for myself. But while I was out, it was so hot, I took it off and threw it over my shoulder, and on my way back I'm like, oh my gosh, I lost my jacket along the way. But I know I left the park with it, because I remember a case where I recognized it on me, and I went back to the park. Yes, Stella. Okay, I went back to the park and there was no sweater inside. Somebody snatched it. It's gone. It's all gone. But I figured that would have happened because there's a lot of people in and out of the park. So I know that would have happened. But I'm sad because I love that little cute sweater. Because it's bath time for Minnie. It's bath time. It's bath time.
Yes.
Yes. What are you doing? Brushing your teeth? Mm-hmm. You brush your teeth? We don't want no. And then where you gonna go after you brush your teeth? You're gonna go?
Yes.
Go where?
Go to nap.
You're going to bed, yes. So you're gonna tell the faves. What you gonna tell the faves right now?
I remember.
So tell them night night. Look in the camera. Look. Oh. Come let mama blow it. Such as J. Joshua Jameson, publisher of the newspaper The Daily Bugle, thinks Spider-Man is a menace. They don't trust him because he wears a mask that hides his face. But most people know that Spider-Man is really a hero. No trouble is too big or too small for Spider-Man to handle.
Boom, boom, boom. What did you say yesterday?
Haul and pull up.
Haul and pull on, boom, boom, boom.
What you haul and pull up in?
Oh, haul and pull up, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, but what are you haul and pull up in?
TV.
Anyway, you guys, of course, you guys know once we're in this setting, we're coming to end today's vlog, and give you guys the expressions. And the Jamaican expression for today is going to be ton deso. If you hear a Jamaican say ton deso, a girl ton deso, or a driver ton right deso.
Small up yourself.
They're simply telling you to turn there.
Okay.
Turn there.
Turn deso.
So turn, we say ton.
Ton
and
deso.
deso is there. So
Turn deso.
ton deso.
Turn deso. A
Yeah.
girl turn deso. So
Yes, you say that. You say that
yeah,
nice.
I'm your strong man.
That girl, a girl.
A girl.
Ton deso.
I'm here to tell you, turn deso.
Alright, you guys, so that's the expression. That's the Jamaican expression for today. Ton deso. Turn there.
Okay.
What's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today is voir rouge. Voir
See red.
rouge. see red. Simply mean when you say somebody see red, mean like become crazy in his mind, like he want to fight, he want to it's like if you see blood.
Why all of your expressions want to fight recently?
Wait,
or to argue or something?
the moment when you lose control, when you, for example, you
so it's like to lose control of a situation.
yeah, but you go in a fight and you want red, I guess, is like blood, blood or things like this.
Okay. Voir rouge.
No, voir.
Voir rouge.
Nice. Good job.
There you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright. You guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and if it's your first time watching, welcome to the fam bam. And please guys, turn on your notification, that way you guys won't miss when we upload. You want to say something?
Yeah, I wanted to yeah, I think one day you should end the vlog saying all of this thing in patois.
I should try to do that.
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up.
Catch up.
As Stella would say, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.